my god, dude.
Dude. I think we just need to stop fishing this right now.
Yeah.
Because I don't want to scare them all away. Oh my god. Let me get it up.
Dude, look at this. Oh my god. Fucking monster. Monster. Oh my god, let me weigh this thing. Where's that scale? It's like feet.
I cannot believe that, dude. You fucking killed him today, boy.
5 pounder.
5 pounder?
5 pounder. Look at that. 5 pounder on the zoom. Huge. Does it look good?